Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Lecturer of Quantitative Research in ALT, Mrs. Nitasari Narulita Dewi. On this occasion, I am Muhammad Fardan Anugrah, and today I would like to present my research proposal titled The Effect of Flipped Classroom via Google Classroom on Students' Reading Comprehension. So this is my agenda overview that guide the point throughout my presentation. And to start my presentation today, I will explain the background first. Reading comprehension is an essential skill for English learning because students need to understand meaning from written text. However, in Indonesia, many junior high school students still struggle due to limited vocabulary, less strategy use, and teacher-centered learning. Therefore, we need a learning model that can improve students' independence in reading and their engagement. After reading some references, I found Flipped Classroom, supported by Google Classroom, is one of the promising innovations to solve this issue. Move on to the problem statement. My research has two main questions. The first one is there any significant effect of Flipped Classroom assisted by Google Classroom on students' reading comprehension? And how does the Flipped Classroom influence students' engagement and participation in reading lessons? And from these questions, my hypothesis assumes that the experimental group will be significantly better learning outcomes than the control group. And for the research objectives, the objective of this study is to examine the effectiveness of Flipped Classroom in improving students' reading comprehension. And this research is beneficial for teachers as a digital learning model that can support active learning to increase motivation, autonomy, and engagement for the students. And the last one as a reference for future researchers studies in technology-assisted English foreign language learning. And for the literature review, reading comprehension improved both lower level skill like decoding and higher level skills like inferencing and evaluation. Students in English foreign language settings often face comprehension challenges. Meanwhile, the Flipped Classroom allows students to learn materials before class and use class time to apply knowledge collaboratively. And integrate with Google Classroom, students can easily access materials anytime, participate in discussions, and receive feedback to support comprehension development. And for the research population and sample, research instruments, and operational definition, my study uses a quantitative quasi-experimental design with two groups. The first one is experimental group using Flipped Classroom via Google Classroom, and then control group using conventional instruction. The population is approximately 180 students, 8th grade from SMP Negeri 2 Rancah, and the sample is about 60 students from two intact classes selected by cluster random sampling. And the instruments include reading comprehension tests, questionnaire, students' engagement, and observation checklist. And for the operational definition, the Flipped Classroom via Google Classroom here as the independent variable, and the dependent variable here is the reading comprehension. And for the data collection, data analysis, and research schedule, data will be collected through pre-test, post-test, questionnaire, and observation, and will be analyzed using SPSS with descriptive and inferential statistics such as independent sample t-tests and ANCOVA, and effect size using Cohen's d to see the level of impact. And my research is scheduled from January to June 2026, including preparation, treatment, data analysis, and proposal defense stages. And I think that's all that I can explain here, and I hope I can answer all of the questions related to my topic tomorrow. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.